We are going fishing.
Yeah. This guy has not ever gone fishing.
No, I haven't.
So we're gonna see how much he fails.
Yeah, thank you so
And we're
much.
going to critique him the entire time. Well, I am. I don't know about him.
Yeah, we just went and got bait.
I got a new motor for the minnow case.
And then now we're heading over to the lake that we're going fishing at. So
Oh, where is it located?
it's Fish Lake. It's right across
There's
the
two
freeway
fish lakes
from
in
you.
this.
Yeah, this one's closer to you. Hey, we made it out to the lake and we're getting stuff ready. Well, at least so I can have no idea what I'm doing.
This is my mom's. Be careful.
Yeah, I will try and be extra careful with this.
I'm going to start out with this one. A panfisher.
Oh, you brought 2 different ones for yourself?
Yeah, because I have more experience.
Okay.
Alright, so.
And so, what do I need to do with this?
Okay, first, you gotta remove this.
Is that the bait or that you just put on it?
This is fake.
A little fake bait?
Yeah, a little bit.
Ah, okay.
Yep. Alright, let's see what kind of line I have, unless you have yours.
I got mine.
Alright, this. You get my this is the new one I got actually. I bought this from Goodwill. Cleaned it up nicely.
I just.
Oh, you almost lost one of those important pieces. This is the main thing we need, so we can do this. I also gotta.
Will it be trouble for you if this was on me?
No, because we need this on.
Yeah, but will it be easier if it was just this right now?
Nope. Anyways, you can just have this angled down while I do the tying part. Let's see. You're gonna need this to cut the hook off.
We should have 2 people at a time fishing at least, because if I'm fishing, when you guys have to hold the camera.
Alright, okay, since you're starting out, you can go first. You gotta get used to casting anyways.
Yeah.
Wait, okay, now I got my idea. Give me that. You reel in now. You want the line to be nice and tight as you're fishing. And your lines are loose. Like, you have too much give. I can pull back super easy. Don't forget, you want to check it here and there. And this is what I mean, you want to tighten this.
Is it tightened or?
It's loose, hence the reason why I'm able to do.
Yeah, he's able to pull it.
Okay,
Sunnies usually do not like minnows.
unless they get really hungry.
Oh, shit. He's trying to flee. Alright, you get him back in?
Yeah, well, just take
Hang
the
on. Alright, I'm videoing and took a photo, so you're good. You can get him in, Ty. Be free! Oh, no, there he goes! And he's dead. Oh, he's actually dead. He's floating. No, he's floating like sideways. He's dead. Does that look dead to you?
Oh shit! Look at that! That's a turtle! Right there! It just come up! That was a giant turtle!
I didn't see it. But that fish looks dead as fuck. Alright, you get Micah? Further? Okay. Alright, go. Oh boy. I can't even see where the hell it is. now I'm trying to point at it.
I wonder if you got that turtle. How deep was the hook?
It was like right at, it wasn't that deep at all.
I'd say 3 feet.
3 feet into the fish.
It's a tiny
And
one.
so if we had a score for how many fish everyone caught, I caught 2, but I got 1 now, and you haven't caught anything yet.
Yeah, it's patience.
I know. What the fuck is that right over there?
It's just a leaf.
A leaf? Oh. It's just a leaf.
If that turtle comes over here, I'll have to get you to come over here.
I really think you should move over, because to me, now Ty's caught something.
Well, I don't want to catch a sunny because of it.
Well, I feel like Sunny's going to be a common thing over here.
So you still got 10 good on that. I'm just putting that whatever wants it in there.
You think you got something?
No.
No?
I was just letting them finish off what was left on the hook.
Oh, let your fish finish it off?
Yeah.
Okay, so I literally just finished, as I'm recording this, I finished editing the main portions of this video. I want to real quick just say I apologize to Ty and Micah for taking forever to even edit and upload this video. Because like Ty has been bothering Micah, bothers me a little bit about it, and just I finally took the time to full on edit it, cut bits and pieces. I didn't really do much entirely, but I do hope that you guys and the boys enjoyed this little vlog of us going fishing. Didn't record as long as I thought I did, but you know, maybe we'll do another one, and we'll see. And I'll try to record more during that one, or maybe we'll do like a camping trip or something. We'll see. But with that now out of the way, hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.